So NicPro sent me the CP 3000 Carpenter pencil, and these things are so cool. So it comes in like a little pencil pouch, just like you're in elementary school, to keep all your supplies together. And then we have 2 refill boxes, one that's completely graphite, and then one that has some colors as well. And then we have the pencil. It's kind of like a giant mechanical pencil. So this is 2.8 millimeter. This one's pretty cool. It's bright, so he is not going to lose it anywhere in here. And then it pops out, and then you have your pencil right here, and you can, just like a normal mechanical pencil, you push the button right there and it comes out more, and then you hold it and you can put it back in. What I thought was really cool about this one is the back side is a pencil sharpener. So you can stick it, it's got a tiny little hole in there, and you can sharpen it. You can kind of see it sharpening a tiny bit, even though it doesn't really need to. This thing is really cool, and it has a clip that you can clip onto your pants. This one's really, really sturdy and has some really thick lead. So I'm gonna grab my square and we'll make a line with the graphite. There is what the graphite looks like, and then we'll pull it out. Okay, you can see how thick this stuff is right there. And then let's see how we open these ones. I think you just slide them up. There we go. And it says remove, so it's probably tape keeping them stuck in there. We'll try the red one. So again, there might be a way to pull that back off, but we're just gonna do it this way. I'm pushing the button in the back and then sliding it in. This one feels a little waxy, but it's still really thick. Then we'll do a red line on my walnut. See what that one looks like. It is a nice thick red line there. Then we'll take this one out, same process. You push and then you pull it out, and then we will grab one of these yellow ones. So the different colors work really well for different materials. The lighter colors and the red my husband usually uses for walnut. And then like for pecan and stuff, he will use the graphite because it is a lighter wood. And then the red cherry, he will usually, red cherry, he usually uses the yellow one. This one's sliding a little differently in there. These are waxy. Okay, we got that. And then we'll do a yellow line right here. Do a couple passes. Here's what they look like. They all show up on this. This is like a medium shade of walnut. They work really, really well. We're super impressed. And if you want to compare this next to what he previously was using, this is ridiculous. This is the mechanical pens. I usually find them on the floor smashed right here, and all the lead is gone. So these are definite upgrades to that, and he loves them. I like this bright color because then I will be able to spot it when I walk into the garage looking for one. So these are awesome. Definitely love these things.